Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to talk about the big data engineering bootcamp that I have already started. And in this video I'll talk about what are the different tech stacks I'll be covering in this bootcamp. And one more thing guys, this bootcamp is completely free. You do not have to pay any money to me, and you do not have to pay any money to anyone, so it's completely free. You have to follow me on the YouTube channel Man of Tech, on which this video has been uploaded right now. So in this video basically I'll talk about the different tech stacks, or you can say different technologies, that I'll be covering in this bootcamp. So let us start this video and let us cover all those topics. And I have been preparing the roadmap of our big data engineering bootcamp. This is not yet completed, but you can give a basic structure about how the bootcamp will move forward. So as you can see, like, bootcamp has been started, but there are some timelines that I thought I'll start the bootcamp. But I've already started the bootcamp with the PySpark. As you can see, I have already started uploading the new videos. So these are the quick access. I'll provide the access to this Notion data engineering bootcamp structure, but right now I am working on this Notion documentation. So I'll provide this documentation at some point of time. So the official website will be manoftech.in. I'll be uploading videos on YouTube also, and most of my videos will be on YouTube, and those videos will be absolutely free. You do not have to pay any money. Now let us move forward and let us talk about the what kind of tech stacks will be there in this bootcamp. So first of all, I'll be covering most of the things in Python, and some of the topics will be taught in Scala also and Java also, because we know map reduce is there in the big data engineering bootcamp, and I have to write the map reduce code in Java also. So I'll be covering some part of Java, Python and Scala. And there is one more topic like big data introduction, in which I'll be covering some of the basic concepts of distributed computing, like how distributed computing works, what is HDFS, how data is stored in HDFS, what is HDFS cluster, what are name nodes, data nodes. I'll be covering each topic in big data introduction. Then moving forward, I'll talk about Apache Scoop, and all these boxes you are seeing on my screen are the complete chapters, like Python chapter, and within this chapter there will be subtopics. All topics will be related to Python. Then big data introduction, then map reduce, and then Apache Scoop. And all these boxes will be covered in 2-3 weeks. Like, it's not just a chapter and that will be covered in 1 hour video or 2 hour video. So it will be covered in 2 or 4 weeks. So this bootcamp is quite long, so you'll have to stay with me for quite some time. So then Apache Scoop for data integration, data ingestion, it will be used. Then I'll be teaching you the Apache Scoop. Then open source data analytics and warehousing system, Apache Hive. This is one of the most technology that is being used in big data technologies, big data companies. So I'll be teaching you Apache Hive also. So moving ahead, we will be learning about HBase, that is a NoSQL database. So we'll be learning about HBase. Then PySpark. I have already started PySpark because I thought so many of you guys are already applying for companies, already appearing in interviews. So I thought, let's cover PySpark, and I'll do PySpark in detail. I'll do all the backend things, like how data is stored in PySpark, the basic concepts behind PySpark. I'll cover all those things. And most of the implementation of Spark will be done in Python, that is called PySpark. And I'll do some of the implementation in Scala also. So do not worry, if someone is trying to follow Scala Spark, then he can follow the same bootcamp. Then I'll be covering Apache Airflow to orchestrate our data pipelines, and this is one of the most important technology that is being used in industry for data pipeline orchestration. And there is Dexter also, but I'll be using Apache Airflow. Then we will talk about the AWS cloud. There are some of the major companies in cloud, that is your Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, then Google is also there, but I'll be covering AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, and I'll be covering their most important tech stacks like their EC2 machines, EMR cluster, Redshift, Glue, Athena, Lambda functions. So I'll be covering most of the topics. Then I'll be covering Apache Kafka for real-time data streaming, real-time data pre-processing, and I have been using Kafka personally in my current position as a data engineer for more than 2 years now. So I'll be covering Apache Kafka also. Then data build tool dbt, it is widely used right now. It is very latest technology but widely used in many organization. dbt is basically used on transformation on warehouse layer. So this is quite easy, but I'll be covering this thing also. Then at the last I'll be covering snowflake, cloud based data warehousing system, and we will try to implement dbt on the top of snowflake only. So guys, this bootcamp is going to be crazy. I'll be covering many new technologies, many existing technologies that are being used widely in industry right now. And following this course, following this complete curriculum, big data engineering curriculum, you will be equipped with one of the most important technologies. So guys, that's it about this video. If you know some other technologies that should be included in this big data boot camp, so please mention that in the comment section, and I hope you guys will follow me and support me. And please, yes, this complete bootcamp is absolutely free for you guys. So in the return, I just need your support. So support me, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this YouTube channel with your friends, family, whoever is preparing for data engineering job role. So that's it guys, thank you so much, have a good day, and please follow this YouTube channel. Thank you so much, bye bye, have a good day.